Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is for how to make money online. 1. Work as an insurance post. A good way to earn money online is by becoming a point of sales person. This is a kind of insurance agent who works with insurance companies and sells insurance policies. All you need for the job is a smartphone and a good internet connection, and it can be done online from home. To qualify as an insurance post, you need to be over 18 years old and graduate class 10, then you must complete a 15-hour compulsory training offered by the IRDAI. Your income will be on a commission basis, and the more policies you sell, the more you can earn. You can find out more about the steps, requirements, and regulations for becoming a post agent here. 2. Look for freelancing work. Another popular way to earn money online is through freelance work. Those who are good at programming, editing, writing, designing, and more can look at portals like Upwork, People Per Hour, Cool Kanya, Fiverr, or Freelancer too. Find work with businesses that look for freelancers. You just need to register on one or more of these portals, usually for a small fee, and based on the work you offer, you can gradually work your way towards high-paying gigs as a freelancer. 3. Try content writing jobs. If you are good at writing, you can even look to make money online through content writing. Lots of companies these days outsource their content work. You can register yourself on websites that offer this online work, such as Internshala, Freelancer, Upwork, and Guru. There, you can set your preferences as a writer and then start to get paid. Work from companies to write about things like brands, food, travel, and other topics, or even just correcting existing articles. 4. Start blogging. If you enjoy writing, but you don't want to work as a content writer for others, you can also start your own blog. Blogging sites like WordPress, Medium, Weebly, or Blogger offer both free and paid services. Once you know your areas of interest, like book reviews, food recipes, travel, arts and crafts, etc., you can start writing about it. Once your site begins to get some visitors, you can earn money through ads, depending on the traffic to your site and your readership. You can earn up to 2,000 to 15,000 rupees a month for your ad space. 5. Sell your digital products. On your blog or website, you can even sell digital products of things you have covered, like recipes or instructions for crafts. This includes audio or video courses, ebooks, design templates, plugins, PDFs, printables, or UX kits. You can also distribute and sell these kinds of downloadable or streamable media through sites such as Amazon, Udemy, Skillshare, or Coursera. Since you only need to make your product one time, and you can sell it as many times as you want, you can have high profit margins for a well-made and unique product. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe and like the video.